Alright, how to calibrate the high security. This is jaw 1. You have to remove the cutter, Allen right here, and you have to install the stylus. Very important. So I will do that now. Alright, the stylus is installed. Make sure you push it all the way up, okay? You want to select jaw A. You want to set this to number 1. And you want to float this on top, okay? Make sure the stylus is clean. There's nothing at the bottom. Okay, make sure the vise is clean as well. Alright, so we go over to our Genericode. You're going to find Ford Fiesta, okay, with this code series 2010 to 19, 10,000, okay? Double click that, go over to here, LKP Elite. You're going to hit calibrate. It's asking you, what do you want to calibrate? We want to calibrate jaw 1, that's for the high security, and we're going to calibrate the cutter, okay? That's the cutter side. You make sure the stylus is there. Hit calibrate. Alright, the machine is going to go in. It's going to measure the depth of that vise. Then it's going to measure the side. Then it's going to measure the tip stop. And then it's going to measure the edge right here. Okay, that's pretty much it. You'll wait until it's complete. And that finishes the cutter calibration. There it is. Hit OK. Now we're going to do the tracer. Make sure the tracer is flipped down. Same procedure. Remove anything from there with your finger. Make sure there's nothing magnetic. You're going to leave it the same way in A, in position 1, and that's floating on top of the vise. Okay, you're going to hit calibrate. Tracer. Jaw 1, tracer. Hit calibrate. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to measure the depth of the vise, the side, tip stop, and then the front. Perfect. And that's going to say complete here in a second. Perfect, done. Now you're done here. You can flip this up and put a cutter in here. Important thing. This cutter has to go all the way up to the max, okay? And when you're tightening it, make sure it's super snug. And that finishes the cutting calibration, okay, for the cutter.